I am unlockable character, Foxu! This would actually be a really great findom bit, unironically. You start stream like this, and it's like, alright, chat. You don't deserve to look at my pretty face until you give $1 million in donations. So I'm just going to sit here in the shadows and watch you beg like the worm you are until those donos start rolling in. Pay $9.99 to unlock 1 pixel. Yeah, right? Better than donating to wear a cowboy vest. What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh no. Oh no, no. I was making a joke. What are you doing? Don't make the fandom jokes look real. Thank you, Iker. Hey, you're too good at this to be such a sub IRL. I'm not good at being fandom. What do you mean? Here, Rapult was going through his sound clips with me, and we unironically have enough fandom sound bites from you to make an entire Fandom Friday alert box. I have fandom alerts? What do you mean? You really lean into that shit a little too easily? Oh, I've grown up on the internet. Of course I know how to say cursed shit. And it's like, there are unironic fandom streamers on Twitch, but instead of just being like, yeah, like our goal today is like 50 gift subs, and if we don't hit that goal, like you just don't deserve to even lick my feet. Like, if you're gonna do fandom, do it fucking well. Don't sound like you're bored, all right? Like, Cowboy Vest is a DSP reference to him dono begging, and the reward was him wearing a vest for another day. The legendary vest streak. Maybe if he, like, wrote people's names on it, I could be like, at least he's doing a cam girl thing. I don't know, man. Chat funded you a literal cuck chair, and I still haven't found a tufted blue chair in a Victorian style. Kier sewing, tee hee hee ha ha. Kier reaping, oh no, how is this happening? They aren't real skooky. I'm not a fandom streamer. Danny D, thank you for the $4.99. Kirsche, you're so much of a sub, you'll play fandom when told to. Yeah, pretty much, actually. I guess that's a good point as well. Don't worry, lads. I'm currently on a deep cover mission to prove Kirsche is a sub. It's a multi-stage process, but I'm confident that it's going quite well. Trust the plan. All the proof you need that I'm a sub is that I want a dominant man. How do you have time to watch me, but you don't have $5? Yeah, right. Instead of screaming into the mic like your audience are children, instead of being like, you don't have $5, like you sound like an indignant cunt, right? But if you lean in a little bit, right, if you play it up and you're just like, you're going to tell me that you don't have $5 to give to your mistress? I'm not into the frog vomit butthole, but like, I'm curious if he's done it. Okay, I think we should just end stream now, because I don't think the timing is going to get any better than that. Instead, you hit him with that, and when they're just like, wow, I didn't think about it that way, and you're like, yeah, of course you didn't think about it that way. That's why you're the disgusting little pay piggy, and you live to finance my dreams. You know? You just gotta lean into it! I can't possibly be better than the people who actually do this for a living. Like, I just refuse to believe. You want to nom on those ears? They do look like candy like this. Kiwi Farms Whisperer! The simplest is she a dom or a sub test is to ask a woman, what do you want for dinner? You guys see how long it takes me to order food when I've done it on stream before? Are you kidding me? Sorry, I gave $5 to fund an Orcat's gotcha addiction. Imagine giving money to other women instead of me. Send this man to the penis-flaying chamber.
For the transparent findom Foxu, here's $5.25.
Oh my god.
We'll order around or be ordered around by you anytime, lol. Also, just hit resonance level 39, I'm gonna make it.
Oh, you're fucking cracked. Oh, you're fucking cracked, dude. Foxwomans, you made the Kirsche dactyl and dropped it into the meme channel. Oh, hell yeah. Video Gamer, thank you for the $5.25. Going over the $5, you're fucking nuts. We'll order around or be order around. I don't like giving orders. It makes me feel weird. Why is the third trending pooping? I don't want to think about it. Logically, you understand why, but whenever a YouTuber gushes over female audience, you can't help but feel like we men are considered as second-class weavers. It's not that men are considered second-class weavers. Everybody knows that you guys are like the bulk of our audience and support. It's just like there's so few women that consume the stream content. What a great time for a daily reminder that foot fungus and jock itch are caused by the same fungus. So think twice about those foot jobs. Nah.